Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to verify your Shopify account. Verifying your account is important because it unlocks features, ensures smoother payouts, and keeps your store secure. To get started, we just need to click on My Store in the upper right corner. Once we click that, we need to click on Your Account. After clicking, we will be redirected to the account page. Here we can see the verification status. To update the verification, simply click Update to verify the account. We will then be asked to verify for added security, and a new window will appear. We just need to check our email. If we want to use a different email, we just need to enter a new one. We will then be prompted with a verification message in that email. Head over to Gmail and verify the Shopify account. That's how we verify a Shopify account. Keeping the account verified helps avoid issues and ensures the store runs smoothly without interruption.